Friends, hello everyone. Today we will prepare several dessert recipes with natural collagen. And so let's move on to the first recipe. Fill 1/2 cup 120 ml lush water with 0.43 ounces 12 grams instant gelatin. Let the gelatin sit for 10 minutes to absorb the water. Grind 1 tablespoon of coffee beans in a coffee grinder. Friends, write in the comments, do you like my desserts? Add 1 cup, 240 milliliter water. Brew coffee over medium heat, but do not bring to a boil. Now let the coffee brew for 10 minutes, and during this time, melt the gelatin over medium heat, but do not bring to a boil. Friends, if you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos. Add sweetener to your liking. I use stevia. Add milk to make 20.3 FL Oz 600 mmol. Pour into a container and refrigerate for 2 hours to allow the gelatin to harden. The result is natural collagen that you can eat with pleasure. This natural collagen promotes hair growth and makes your skin look very beautiful. Bon appetit, friends! Friends, let's move on to the second dessert recipe. We need 1 medium-sized beetroot. The beets need to be peeled and grated to extract the juice from them. Friends, write in the comments from which country or city are you currently watching this video. For this recipe, we will need 14.1 ounces, 400 grams, of sugar-free baby puree. I used a mix of applesauce and peach puree. You can use any puree you like. Add 0.7 ounces, 20 grams, of instant gelatin to the puree and mix well. Let stand for 5 minutes for the gelatin to swell. Heat the puree with gelatin over medium heat until dissolved. Friends, if you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos. We begin to beat the hot puree with a mixer for about 10-15 minutes until the mixture becomes light and airy, stirring occasionally. Divide the whipped mixture in a ratio of 1:3 into 2 bowls. Add beet juice to the bowl with the whipped puree. I used a 15 Mach 15 pan. By the way, beet juice can be replaced with any other juice or not used at all. Place dessert in the refrigerator for 2 hours. The result is a delicious, low-calorie, sugar-free dessert with a high collagen content. Thank you for watching the video to the end, and for your comments. See you again, friends.